everyone and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to go over the news wall. All right, so unlike the fan wall, the news wall does not allow you to send out notifications to everyone within a certain range, but it does allow you to post new news to your app for everyone to see. Okay, so let's go here into our news wall. And then we're going to select add here. Now you can change the icon here by selecting this button and choosing one of the preloads or adding your own. You can also change the name here as well and add a subtitle. But what we're gonna do is come here and add first. So let's come here and go ahead and give it a title. So for generic purpose, we're going to put this is a new news. The date we can select here. So let's say this is for today's date. All right, and then the subtitle we can put here, new stuff, for example. All right, now this is when you will see your news context. Okay, and let's go ahead and copy and paste here to give ourselves a little more context to work with. Now what you can also do is work with this as a simple text editor. So maybe this should be centered. Maybe the color should be a little bit different in your size. In your news. Let's go here to our normal. This can be your H1, H2, H3. What we can do also, if we don't want to use the H1s and H2s, is to come over here to the font size and simply select the font size that we want. If we want it bigger, we can make it as such. All right, so let's go back down to 14 for now. And what we can also do is add in our own source code. So if we select this button here, it's going to transform the current text that we have on the screen. And then we can go in and start to write in our own code. Once you're done with that, select source here and it's going to go back to normal. Now here is where you're going to insert a new picture. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use this image once more. What we're going to do is simply upload here, crop to our desired size. So maybe we want it to be a little bit different and more zoomed, and then OK. All right, now once you're done here, just select OK once more, and then you're going to get a new posting to your news wall that people can select. They can come down here to read, they can log in for comments. You can see when you selected it. So this is just going to act sort of like the fan wall. However, this is going to be simply for you to communicate to your users. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.